Hey everyone, Dan here from Heavy Metals, and today we have an unboxing. I'm so excited about this. I've been saying it for the last couple videos. Couldn't wait for it to arrive here. It was supposed to arrive on the 23rd. Instead, it's arrived today on the 20th. I'm very excited. I've been up since 3 a.m. because I had jury duty this morning. The four groups went up to go into the courtrooms. I did not get called at all, so I'm happy about that. I'm released now, and I'm back. I had to fight to get this thing out of the mailbox. I'm going to show you in a second, but first, we have a few pieces I want to highlight. We have a 2-ounce Mosasaurus right here from the first Jurassic World movie. All right, 2-ounce silver. Let me see here. Is it? Yes, it is 4/9 fine silver. Awesome, awesome, awesome. It comes in a little collectible box too. We have a T-Rex 1-ounce silver round right here. This is from a relative of mine. Great guy. You know who you are if you're watching. Actually, the first Dino piece I ever got in a silver round. And then we have two little highlights of copper rounds here. So we have a Megalodon, which is not exactly a dino, but it's pretty close, right? They lived long ago too. And then we have a crocodile here, and he's saying, "Don't mess with me." All right, so here we go. I had to fight to get this thing out of the mailbox. Sometimes they just shove the boxes in there. I don't know why they do it, but they do. Look at this thing. Okay, so this is special. All right, dinos are my favorite of all time. You know what? Let's just unbox this thing. Oh, that's right. It's a it has a lever or something. There we go. Look at that. There. Perfect. There. I got this from AppMex. I saw it on CIT Coins. Okay. You know what? Yeah. Saw it on CIT Coins, and it was so new that AppMex didn't even have a picture of it. And man, this thing is awesome. I had to figure out how to pronounce this guy's name. All right, here we go. Get this disgusting box out of here. All right, let me see here. All right. Doing it with the phone, so I need a little time. There we go. Oh, okay. So the name of this dino is Carcharodontosaurus. Carcharodontosaurus. All right. So here we go. All right. Ooh, come on, come on. Can't even. Reminds me of the Black Album. Can't even give me a hint. All right. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. There it is. Oh, you could see it too. 2026, Cook Islands. So that's where it came from. That's the mint. Silver, Jurassic Relics, Carcharodontosaurus. Okay, here we go. Appmex.com. Now, this also ties into what I've been saying before about premiums. Silver, I've noticed this, when silver jumps in price, the premium, it kind of eats up the premium. Okay, so it's like you're getting, it doesn't really matter. Like I'm eyeing a different numismatic silver round right now, and if I can get it, it's like $400, and it sounds like it's a lot of money. But if let's say silver goes to $200, I haven't seen that the premium jump on it, right? So okay, so here we go. Okay. Oh, it's just like the other round. Okay, so it has a flip. Oh, it does have a flip. Oh. Okay. Carcharodontosaurus. Jurassic Relics. Look at that. Now you'll notice something. There's a reason why this thing is really special. I was able to get it for $239. Guarantee you, it's gonna go up. Guarantee you. I think there's one more on Abmex. If you guys want it, go get it. This thing, woo, a mintage of 999 coins. So it will sell out. All right, Cook Islands. Okay, that's what I was looking for. I was looking for this flap. I have a few things with these cases in it. Okay, now you'll notice there's a little thing on the bottom right here. That is a baby. No, well, that's a piece of a Carchantosaurus tooth. All right, so there's an actual Here you go. There, Carchantosaurus. I still can't get it right. Okay, so 1 ounce fine silver, 4 nines fine, ultra high relief, silk finish, Carchanodontosaurus. Right? I'll get it, don't worry. Ooh. Oh, man. There you go. Look at that. When I saw it, they knew. They knew they made this for me. Because the dinos are my thing, you know what I'm saying? Actually, you don't know what I'm saying, because a lot of you don't even know me out there. But you will get to know me. And dinos are me. So let me see here. Okay. Now this right here really sold me. It's a baby dino busting out of the egg. And of course you got King Charles back there. I'm sure he's going, what the hell's going on with this dino? But baby dino breaking out of the egg. It looks kind of like when the from the first Jurassic World, the Indominus Rex broke out of the egg in the beginning of the movie. Looks just like, oh, look at that. Wait a minute, let me move that around. You see that? As I move, whoa, as I move it around, you could look at the baby dino's eye. Doesn't it look like it's alive? Oh, man. Look at that. Looks like he's moving a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm talking about, but oh, that's cool. And I love, because I know they say it's ultra high relief, but just look at that detail, right? And look, it's usually in these capsules I get like 2 ounce rounds, like that shark one I showed you from the Phobia series. But this is just 1 ounce, and they put it in this capsule. Man, that's great. Okay, let me put it over here flat so you can see it. Carchantosaurus. Jurassic Relics. And let's zoom in on that tooth there, that little fossil. They say it's a piece of a tooth. Oh, there you go. Great shot. That is an actual fossil of the dino. The dino. Oh man. You got a screenshot of that right there too. That just might be. Okay. I cut myself off there for a second there. I was going to say that this right here just might be the thumbnail. I don't know, but I think I just captured it. Woo! Oh, this is great. So, another ounce of silver to add to the stack. I think I'm at 320 now, just in silver. I'm thinking pretty soon that I'll do a full stack video. It'll be my first one. And I will discuss soon who inspired me to do the full stack videos, because there's only one OG that does the full stack videos. He's a G. And man, he's got a lot more medals than I do. And just by me saying that alone, you might know who he is. So let's see. But man, yeah, so me having a couple 100 ounces is nothing compared to this guy. So I'll get there one day, hopefully. But yeah, so here we go. Jurassic Relics with the actual Dino fossil. Concar de Santos. He's not a politician, I swear. Carcanthosaurus. Woo! What a video. What a video. Look. You guys know I'm just playing around in this one. Oh, wow. I'm so excited. Okay, let me do that shimmer one more time before we go. Oh, that's cool. The eye. Oh, man, that's great. All right, guys, this has been Dan with Heavy Metals. Let me put him with the group. Let me put him with the fam, the Dino fam. Oh, all right. As always, if you found this one fun, I guess, like the video, comment. Let me know what your favorite themes are, if you have anything that's, that you stack, or whether it's, what's your favorite movie series even, just tell me stuff like that, I'll probably do like a little movie series review or something like that down the line. That sounds like fun. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments and all that. If you guys are going to pick this up, AppMex still has it. I haven't seen it sell out yet, but it will. I guarantee it will. And yeah, so this has been the unboxing of Jurassic Relics. All right. Have a good one, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks. Bye.